This is the best multi-channel cold outreach tool in the market today. And the reason I say that is because this one allows unlimited LinkedIn and email accounts, meaning you can scale horizontally and vertically with no limits at all. While other apps charge you per profile, here you can connect as many as you want and do cold outreach. And today I'm going to show you how to actually use it. And if you don't know me, I'm Sam. I covered hundreds of sales tools, so I know what I'm talking about. And this one is definitely in the top. To use Salesforge for multi-channel cold outreach, what you'll want to do is log in or try it for free. And first, you'll want to connect sender profiles. To do that, you click create profile. You select which mailboxes you want to use for this exact profile. You name the profile, second profile, and select the LinkedIn accounts you want to use for the sender profile. We'll use the sender's profile in our multi-channel outreach campaign to basically send out emails and cold DMs on LinkedIn. Just connect and you have a sender profile that looks like this. Here's your account, email account, everything connected, everything good. Then you'll want to set up that campaign, of course. You go to multi-channel, click add new sequence, and you'll be presented with this. Now you can customize it however you want. So now we will build it together so you could actually see all the possibilities and learn how to build it quickly. So first, at the start, let's say you want to check for a LinkedIn URL. If the lead has a LinkedIn URL, you'll want to send a connection request. And once the connection request is accepted, we'll send a message, right? After, let's say, 2 days, right? Initial message. Here you'll be able to build the actual message. You can syntax it, add attachments if need be. So for example, hey John, noticed you work at company name. This is, of course, just an example. Don't write that awful message, right? XYZ, CTA, soft, CTA, whatever it is, right? This is where your copy goes. Now, if you want to learn more about copywriting and all of that stuff, I do have tutorials on the channel, so check it out. I'll perhaps link something down below. And let's say if the lead does not reply, we want to send another message, right? Follow up, have, hey, just bumping this. Again, this is just an example. Do something better than that. But here you go. Now what we have is that the platform will check if the lead has a LinkedIn account. If it does, it will send a connection request. And if the connection request is accepted, it will send a message. And if the message doesn't get a reply, after 3 days, we'll send a follow-up. Now, what will happen if the connection request is not accepted? Well, what we can do is check if the lead has an email. And if it does, we can send them an email and we can send another email. Well, probably here you would have the same copy as here. Maybe you can spice it up and change it up to see, of course, email deliverability is a lot different than LinkedIn deliverability, meaning you cannot add attachments, you cannot add links, you shouldn't do tracking, but probably something similar because if they did not respond here, you're reaching out to them on other channel, right? And again, you add as many follow-ups as you want, edit how many days to wait in between, so on and so forth. Now, if it doesn't have an email, of course, you do nothing. Let's say it doesn't have a LinkedIn URL. We first check if it has an email. If it does, we click send an email. Simply as that, you build your own multi-channel cold outreach campaign on different variables. If it has a LinkedIn URL, send out a connection request, send an initial message after accepted, send out a follow-up, send an email, circling back. We could even do that here. Like, let's say you follow up. If it doesn't respond, you check for the email. If it has an email, you send an email, right? Simple as that. You build this workflow and you'll be able to hit your prospect from all these different angles and increase your reply rate from like 1 to 2% to 50% because LinkedIn has insane reply rate, right? So once you build this up, you'll want to add contacts. So you go to contacts tabs, you go to add contacts and you select the contacts you want to use for this campaign. So let's use these two. Add contacts, go to senders. We select the sender profile we made in the beginning of the video. We have my LinkedIn profile and my mailboxes, right? If we go to schedule, it's best to send in your prospect's time zone. So this looks about right. You go to the settings, perhaps turn off open rate tracking. That diminishes the deliverability. Plain text, yes, sounds good. Opt out, all of that stuff. And simple as that, you're ready to launch your campaign. You click launch, amazing. You have a sequence live doing multi-channel cold outreach. Now, all of your replies will be in your Prime box, and here you can manage all of the conversations going on. If you want, you can set up a reply draft feature in the Forge. Here you add your knowledge base, so the AI will draft a reply, so you can reply as fast as possible and close the deals, right? Now, if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial about this, showing me how I write the copy and actually sending out emails and LinkedIn DMs, then let me know down in the comments below. But if you would rather have all of this automated without you needing to set up anything, then I suggest you take a look at at Agent Frank. Agent Frank is an AI SDR that does everything by itself. Infrastructure setup, lead generation, hyper-personalized email writing and outreach, and conversation handling and objection handling, does it all till it books a sales call. So if you want to learn more about Agent Frank, I suggest you take a look at this video. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.